Masa sampai lali ya. Subscribe.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kang Bayu ID here. And now we got a problem when we start Filmora 9. We want to edit the video, but we got a problem. This GLTest.exe has stopped working. So I've been searching it to the internet, and I got not the solver any videos in YouTube, but that not solve my problem. So I go to my own observation in this program. So I've been solved this problem. And now, how to solve this problem? Let's get started. Now we close this filmora 9 first. Close the program and filmora, and then we go to Windows Drive C, and then go to filmora program files. Want to set filmora 9, and then we find the program that called GLTest. This is program which is the problem that we got. So how to fix it? Can we delete it? I don't recommend it to delete this this file, so I just recommend to rename it. Just rename it. Just rename to like GLTest.exe. Just this. So let's try again. We open the filmora 9, and then the problem not show up again. This is easy to solve this problem actually. So we can continue our program or our project to edit video in filmora 9. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support my channel, by clicking the like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can get update my video and my channel. So thank you, and see you next time. See you next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Masa sampai lali ya. Subscribe.